Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make your own tomato soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 small carrot. Also, have on hand 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Fresh basil is a wonderful addition for a vibrant finish. Now, let's get our vegetables ready for cooking. Begin by washing and roughly chopping your 2 pounds of tomatoes into quarters. Next, dice 1 medium onion, mince 2 cloves of garlic, and finely chop 1 small carrot. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the chopped vegetables and sauté them for about 8 to 10 minutes until they are tender and aromatic. Once your vegetables are softened, it's time to add the liquid. Pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for about 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. After simmering, use an immersion blender directly in the pot to puree the soup until it reaches a wonderfully smooth consistency. If you don't have an immersion blender, carefully transfer the soup in batches to a regular blender. Finally, let's perfect the flavor of your delicious homemade tomato soup. Season it with a half teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, or to your taste. Stir in any fresh herbs like basil or oregano. Taste and adjust as needed. Ladle the warm soup into bowls, perhaps with a swirl of cream or a few fresh basil leaves for garnish. Enjoy your comforting, homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.